I'm the CEO of Flourish Media, a digital marketing firm based in Miami, Florida. I welcome you to join us at the Digital Fashion Online Summit. Well, I'll be speaking about women in business. My nonprofit Behind the Lead focuses on connecting women business owners with angel investors and funders. We've been doing it for the last 5 years in Miami, Florida, and 80% of the women who participate in our program walk away with support. Funders and investors want to see technology as you are building your business, replication, systemized approaches to being able to grow and have that business flourish. I'm so excited for you because there are government contracts that are waiting for you, especially if you have areas where technology is involved. We created a free government contracting guide, and you'll be able to download it so that it takes you step by step how you can build your business with government contracts. The government spends about $2 million on a very regular basis, trillions of dollars every year with businesses. And why not yours? So join us to learn how digital is changing the digital process, the design process, and the way we buy and the view of the future. See you there.